11111, and we started to do lab work 3 of system programming. Okay, Visual Studio, start, and open distance learning and develop application which change the priority of your process at work. So we have some priorities, and now we open LabWorks. I have created a template for this work. If you have not, you create a new project and take Windows application form. It's not hard, I show you. Okay, get priority class, change priority of current, get current process wait, terminate the process. This theoretical part you need to read it, and now we create new Windows Form project and create this form. Priority, change priority of process and running of process. Okay, and to complete the task we need to use namespace WinAPI type, also namespace runtime in the describe format field, and we need to connect WinAPI file. To do this, activate the project node Solution Explorer window, can context menu and select ADD existing item. And ADD. Okay, so here we have form. Yeah. If I have created a template, yeah. If you not have, you just take file, new project. And when he asks, I have installed all elements. If you have little or not, if install all, you need to take C# Windows and form, and he find you C# Windows form app and start, and he creates this project as we have. Okay, on this project we have text form 1. We are named it change priority, change prior delete change prior app. Okay, change priority app. And now toolbox, we take toolbox and take button 1 and button 2. Okay, we have 2 buttons, 1 button and second button. Yeah, 1 button we will write, it be button 1, but change priority. Change the priority. Change priority, and button 2 and process running and running of process and running of process. Okay, so we have this, yes. And we need to connect Solution Explorer, right button, ADD, existing item, and we need to load WinAPI CC. WinAPI he is on our Dropbox. Yes, here in file of course we have here WinAPI. Yeah, I downloaded it. Not here. WinAPI here. So we connected. Okay, when we connected this, yes, we begin do the next and create okay, to paste the code. Yes, because not to I run here lab03 in Word. Okay, we open this file temp systproc. Okay, ADD code to use this namespace, so using WinAPI types. Okay. And let's go in our code. Yes. And here using WinAPI types. Yes. And next. And using system run. Okay. We just put it in the code. In the class describe the form ADD field. Class describes the form. Class form, public form, initialize pre-advoy. Public form. Yeah. We need to push set priority. Bool set priority flag, false. Set priority contain information about priority class. Create an event handler clicking change priority button. Change priority button in our variant is button 1. So I click twice and he create button 1 click. Yeah, and we need create here this code. Control C, Control V. Yeah, and now in WinAPI handle process has set priority WinAPI set priority class high priority using set priority flag. Okay, create event by stop execution, and we go and running of process. Yeah, stop execution and put here this code. Okay, so we have this code. And that's all. But one moment, if we run this, was calling phone, sorry. Okay, so we return. So we write this program and we run it. And maybe I'm not easy explain here. We run this program. We have button change priority. He change priority of process which use this program. So we go Control Shift Escape, yeah, and come in here Task Manager, yeah, and we go in details here and right button select columns, and we need mark base priority. We mark base priority, and here is our priority. My app is named here. See, process. See here, we have here, and my process is LabWorks 3exe. Okay, so I take here and take language English and write lab. See, this is my priority, normal, and I print screen it. Print screen and in your report, and put in your report. Now me press change priority. Up. See, low. He was normal, now he is low. And change priority. Up. I not see it, so lab, and priority is high. Again, check, low, again. Lab. See, high. If I press end run of process, he closes this lab work and end of process. Okay, and this process was killed. That's all. It's working this program. And in report you need print screen from Task Manager where you change priority, yeah. And if you name it your file not LabWorks or something another, you need to see this process. Okay, if you put start, here you have what process and ID, yeah, here you have this process, and you find it in Tag Manager. It's not hard work, but he needs to understand what program is doing. If you analyze the code, here you see we have just only current process. Current process is your program which you run. If you want to change priority another process, you need to find it and do the same code. High priority process have more chance to be run it more quickly. Okay, thank you everyone. Goodbye, we'll see you.